Okay, welcome to another SoftwareKeep video. SoftwareKeep.com. We do not just sell you your software. We want to make sure you get the most out of it. I encourage you to like this video if you like it, and subscribe to the channel. Click the bell for notifications so you're notified when we have new videos. Today we're going to talk about PowerPoint. I think PowerPoint is an underrated Microsoft product. A lot of people assume that PowerPoint is for businesses to create business presentations, and while it's excellent for that, there's so much you can do. Um, do you create comics? You can use it to make digital comic books. You've got kids, you've got a wonderful family, you want a digital photo book, a digital scrapbook, it's perfect for that. So we are going to take a look. As you can see, you could start with templates, but we are just going to start with a blank presentation today because I want to show you something that is really a time saver, and you don't have to be an expert to create. My digital scrapbook. And what's great is when you get finished creating your scrapbook, you can save it as a self-contained file and share it with your family, your friends. We're going to go ahead and get rid of this. You just select it, hit delete, gets rid of it. Now, to start with, we want to put, I'm going to insert a picture, and the great thing here is you can insert pictures, music. You can really make a multimedia presentation out of this. Do one for each of your kids from the time they're born, until current, and just continually add to it. And through the years, you create this really rich digital scrapbook, photo book of each of your kids. It's great. And then do one, encompassing your entire family. So we are going to go to the insert menu and a picture file. We're going to choose a picture from photos. Let's start with a photo of my wife and me. And what's really cool is you are going to get some design ideas. This is what I love. You don't need to stress about what's going on here. Look at some of these design ideas. There's so many good ones. I don't know which one to pick, but this is a great way to get yourself started. Now, let's go with this one. Let's go with this one. Now I want to right click and I want to insert a new slide. I am going to put a picture of my daughter in here. Again, let's get rid of this. We don't need it. Just hit that delete button and insert. You can get your picture here. This is going to be a picture of my daughter, and we will continue to build the scrapbook. That's the really fun stuff here. We're going to continue to build this scrapbook, generating design ideas. I don't have to do anything. It's going to generate those design ideas for me. It'll do it for you. Let's look at that. Let's look at that. We like that one. Okay, now continue to build your digital scrapbook like this. Use pictures, your entire family. Add music, animations, fancy text. Just make it a multimedia experience. When you're done, as I said, you can save it as a self-contained file. Distribute it to family and friends. You could do the same thing if you're creating a digital comic book. Import your artwork, put text on it, save it as a self-contained file. PowerPoint is fun. You don't have to be in business. You don't have to create business presentations. Of course, it's great for students in school, book reports, interactive book reports. But again, my wife and I created one for my son when he was born. Put music in there, so and it's really something we treasure. We watch it on the TV. Um, we're going to end up creating digital scrapbooks of all of our kids. You can watch them on the TV, share them. It's awesome. Anyway, thank you for dropping by and checking out the SoftwareKeep.com video. Again, we don't just sell you software. We want you to make the most out of it. Productivity, fun, that's what it's all about. We will sell you the software and we will continue to give you tips and show you how to use it. We appreciate you coming by. Again, click the bell for notifications. That way when we've got a new video, you'll be notified. Uh, Click like on the video, come back, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Come on back and check us out. Come on back and hang out with us again.